Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, have a nice day. Hope you will be fine and best of your health. This is Dr. Sajid Mahmood Rao, Division of Science and Technology, University of Education, Lahore. Today, we are talking about a brief overview on the classification of the natural products. In previous session, we have discussed about the plant sources, pharmacological applications, in vitro analysis, and nutraceutical products of alkaloids, steroids, lignans and carotenoids, saponins and anthocyanins, carbohydrates and terpenoids. So, in this session, we will discuss the importance, applications, pharmacological, as well as different pharmaceutical brands and their isolation sources of xanthones, coumarins. Let's see what are the xanthones. Xanthones are one of the biggest class of compounds in natural product chemistry. Xanthones are secondary metabolites and their structures are related to that of flavonoids. They are polyphenolic heterocyclic compounds. You can see over here the structures of xanthones, which consist of two phenyl groups. The second molecule is gratinine, which consists of a large number of polyhydroxyl and polyphenolic groups. Xanthones are soluble in water, and they are mostly soluble in hot water due to the presence of hydroxyl group in phenyl group. Now let's see how the xanthones are identified. So xanthones in methanolic and petroleum ether extract is detected by antimony dichloride. It shows greenish blue color. Take a sample in ferric chloride solution, gives formations of bluish black precipitates, which indicates the presence of xanthone phytoconstituents. When we see its sources, xanthones are secondary metabolites commonly occurring in fungi, lichen, and higher plants families such as Genetiaceae, Gotifera, Moraceae, Gruciaceae, and Polyglaciaceae. When we see its biological activities, it is used as anti-inflammatory activity due to the presence of magniferin, and it is used as hypoglycemic activity due to the presence of belly-dipholin, and it is used as insect repellent activity and mutagenic activity, which is due to the presence of Svertinia phytoconstituents. These are the phytoconstituents which fall in the category of xanthone molecules. You can see over here three phytoconstituents. The first molecule is gambogic acid, which is rich with anti-tumor activity. The second molecule is mangiferin, which is rich with anti-inflammatory activity. The third molecule is mangostin, which is rich with antibacterial activity. Now we see the sources of these molecules as well as their other pharmacological applications. The first molecule is gambogic acid. Gambogic acid is derived from the brownish or orange resin from Garcinia plant. It is used in its acid form as a novel anti-cancer agent that inhibits cell proliferation, angiogenesis, and metastasis, ability to detoxify, kill parasites, and stop bleeding as a hemostatic agent. The second molecule is magniferin. Magniferin is also known as Magnifera indica, which is extracted from the mango peels, as well as it is found in the genera Salacia and Cyclopia. It is used for the protections against chronic disorders and treatment of the acute ailments, antioxidants, anti-infectious, anti-diabetic, anti-atherosclerotic, and cardiovascular effects to enhance the cognitive brain functions. The next molecule is mangostin. This molecule is found in the plant Garcinia mangostana. It is used for diarrhea, urinary tract infections, gonorrhea, thrush, tuberculosis, menstrual disorder, cancer, osteoarthritis, and an intestinal infection called dysentery. It is also used for stimulating the immune system and improving mental health. Xanthones can also be used in the field of medicinal applications as well as in fertilizers. You can see over here the molecule sulfonated xanthones, which are used as a cytotoxicity agent in cancer cell lines. The second molecule is 7-chloro-1,2,3-trihydroxy 6-methoxyxanthone, which is used as anti-proliferative activity against the human intestinal adenocarcinoma cell lines. The second activity is fertilizer activity, in which crude extract of Switia is used in insect repellent activity, and hookery extract is used as antimicrobial activity. Now we discuss some important pharmaceutical brands in which phytoconstituents that have fall in the category of xanthones have been formulated and evaluated in different dosage form. So let's see the first brand. The name of that brand is Mangosteen. It is manufactured by Advanced Physician Formulas and we take its dose 500 milligrams per day. So this brand is formulated in capsule dosage form, that is serving as 60 capsules per container. This brand is used to immune system enhancer and it is used energy production as well as antioxidant activity. The second brand is GCM50. In this brand, Garcinia mangostana extract is used as active extract. It is formulated by the healthcare formula and we take its 50% pure extract in capsule dosage form. It is formulated in capsule dosage form that serving per contain 90 capsules. So it is used as obesity, anti-obesity medicines. The last brand is Mangosteen Pericorp. It is manufactured by Mojo Body and we take its dose 1500 milligram per day to 1800 milligram per day, and it is formulated in capsule dosage form, so it can be taken 3 capsules per day. It is used as anti-inflammatory properties, it is used as antioxidant properties, combats free radicals as well as boost immunity. Let's see what are coumarins. Coumarins are the organic compounds containing 6 two-member rings which fused with each other. One benzene ring and the other one contains alkenes and ester function groups. You can see over here 3 examples of the coumarin molecules, and these are the phytoconstituents which fall in the category of coumarins. The first molecule is warfarin, second molecule is sorolin, and the third one is xanthotoxin. Now we see the uses and isolation sources of these phytoconstituents. Warfarin is isolated from coumarin source and it is used as an anticoagulant agent which is used for blood thinner. Warfarin reduces the formation of blood clots. Warfarin is used to prevent blood clots in veins and arteries. The second molecule is sorolin. Sorolin is isolated from Ficus carcia, hemivisnaga, as well as Funiculum vulgaris. It is used in different skin diseases like that of vitiligo and eczema. The third molecule is xanthotoxin, which is isolated from amimagus, and it is also used for the treatment of skin diseases, and that includes vitiligo and eczema. Coumarins are mostly soluble in ether, diethyl ether, chloroform, oil, pyridine, soluble in ethanol. Coumarins are insoluble in water, but active drugs are 0.17 gram per 100 ml. Now we see the identification test of coumarin molecules and check how these molecules are identified. The first test is test with ammonia. In this test, 2 to 3 drops of ammonia is taken on filter paper and added few drops of aqueous extract of drug. It changes into green fluorescence color, which indicates the presence of coumarin molecules. The second test is taken with hydroxylamine hydrochloride. In this test, we take ethereal extract of drug, then added 1 drop of saturated alcoholic hydroxylamine hydrochloride and added 1 drop of alcoholic potassium hydroxide. Then we heat it and then cooled. After that, acidify it with 0.5 normal hydrochloric acid. Then added 1% weight by volume trichloride. The overall results is violet coloration, which indicates the presence of coumarin molecules. These are some other sources from which xanthone molecules are isolated, and these sources are tonka bean, spath, coumarin ordata, and lavender. Xanthones molecules also have biological activities. It is used for the regulation of plant growth and metabolites. It is also used as anticoagulant, that is warfarin, and anti-TB, that is sorolin. There are different phytoconstituents which are present in different sources. Other phytoconstituents are sorolin, that is found in the leaf and root of plants, and bergaptan is found in the leaf of plants. The other applications, it is also used as excipients, as a sweetener, flavor stabilizers, odor masker, is used in organic dyes. It is also used in photoredox catalyst. Xanthones are used in the formulations and evaluation of different pharmaceutical dosage forms. So you can see over here some important and famous products that have been launched in which different xanthones are used as phytoconstituents. The first brand is Comadine. It is manufactured by Bristol Myers Squibb and will take its dose 1 milligram to 5 milligrams per day. It is formulated in the form of tablet dosage form and it has anticoagulant activity, that is called blood thinner activity. The second brand is Diflucan, which is manufactured by Pfizer and will take its dose 3 mg to 12 mg per day. It is formulated in different pharmaceutical dosage form, which includes tablet, capsule, syrup, and cream dosage form. It is used as an antifungal agent. Student, thank you so much for your kind attention. So please feel free to contact in case of any queries. Okay, Allah Hafiz, bye.